Hi everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this quick video, I want to show you how to get started correctly on the piccolo trumpet. Or if you've been playing piccolo trumpet for a while and things just aren't working well, this video is for you. Make sure to stick around to the end as I'll show you some exercises that will have you playing the piccolo trumpet correctly in no time. Unlike its larger counterparts, the piccolo trumpet requires less effort. You have to approach the instrument like a singer who uses their falsetto voice. Falsetto is just a method of voice production used by singers to sing notes higher than the notes that are in their normal range. Also, unlike its larger counterparts, the piccolo trumpet speaks a little differently from an articulation standpoint. You have to use less effort when articulating on the piccolo trumpet. The piccolo trumpet basically articulates itself because the response is so much quicker. You should use more of a do syllable instead of a to syllable, or a da syllable instead of a ta syllable. Before I get into showing you some exercises that I am confident will help you, it's important that you only practice piccolo trumpet for about 5 to 10 minutes a day. It's crucial to build endurance gradually, allowing your embouchure time to adjust to the piccolo's demands. The goal on the piccolo trumpet is to be able to play an F scale, since most of the repertoire is written for that range. The high F on the piccolo trumpet is equivalent to the high C on the larger instruments. If you own a high F on piccolo trumpet, you can play 90% of all the repertoire ever written for it. Let's start with the first 5 notes of the F scale. I like to practice these exercises using staccato notes. This helps us get to the sound a little quicker and requires less effort than playing slurred notes on the piccolo. If we're only going to practice 5 to 10 minutes a day, we have to be efficient. It's important that you approach the following exercises playing no louder than mezzo piano. As you progress with this exercise, it's extremely vital that you don't go to the next exercise until you're absolutely comfortable with the previous one. Feel free to pause the video after each of these exercises and give it a try. Listen carefully to the style and ease at which I want you to play this exercise. Once the C becomes comfortable, then you can go for the D. This may take days or it may take months. Be patient with the process. Once you own the D, then go for the E. After you graduate from the E, then go for the entire F scale. Next is an articulation exercise using the F scale to start adding some layers. If you're having trouble with the initial exercises, do these next exercises where we extend downward while still using the F scale until you're able to get more comfortable, and then gradually build back up. I'm absolutely certain that if you're patient with this process and don't skip any steps, over a period of time, you'll see major progress in your piccolo trumpet playing by just incorporating 5 to 10 minutes of piccolo playing in your daily routines per day. If you have questions or comments, comment below and I will definitely get back to you. If you find value here, click like and consider subscribing to this channel for more trumpet related content. If you like this video, check out my video on the 1 key secret to a gorgeous trumpet sound. Thanks for watching.